We just listed this stunning house in Menifee, California. You'll love the open floor plan and numerous upgrades that make this Menifee pool home truly special. This beautiful 2-story home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and offers 2,724 square feet of living space on a spacious 10,890 square foot lot. The formal living and dining areas boast high vaulted ceilings, elegant shutters, and a gorgeous chandelier, creating a striking first impression upon entering the home. The architectural accents, including arches and clean lines, adds to the overall charm and sophistication of the space. Isn't this home simply lovely? If you know someone who is looking to buy a home, please share this gem with them. Step into the heart of social gatherings with the expansive great room, designed to elevate your hosting experience. Featuring a ceiling fan with a stylish lighting fixture, a cozy fireplace, windows with shutters, crown molding, plush carpeting, and built-in cabinets and shelves, this inviting space offers the perfect ambiance for relaxation and entertainment. Adjacent to the kitchen and dining area, it seamlessly integrates convenience and comfort, creating a welcoming environment for both residents and guests alike. Indulge your culinary passions in the exquisite kitchen, adorned with stunning countertops and a captivating backsplash that elevate its aesthetic appeal. Equipped with top-of-the-line appliances including an oven, microwave, and cooktop stove, it seamlessly combines functionality and style. The sink offers a picturesque view of the backyard and convenient access to the adjacent dishwasher. The center island enhances both utility and charm, featuring a breakfast bar perfect for casual dining and ample storage below, catering to your every culinary need with flair. The dining area is illuminated by natural light streaming through a sliding glass door, creating a bright and airy ambiance that enhances the dining experience, making every mealtime a delightful affair. The backyard features a stunning faux rock pool with waterfalls and a relaxing grotto. It also includes a shallow area perfect for sitting and enjoying the sun. Isn't it absolutely lovely and unique as well? The property includes a gated side yard with a convenient storage shed. The backyard presents a plethora of opportunities for leisure and enjoyment, inviting you to embrace Southern California's stunning weather to the fullest. Whether you're indulging in gardening, losing yourself in a good book, or simply basking in the warm sun, this tranquil oasis provides the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. This exceptional property also boasts RV access on the side yard, catering to your adventurous lifestyle. The expansive backyard is a true paradise, featuring intricate concrete detailing and a cozy fire pit, perfect for gathering with family and friends. Additionally, there's a separate spa area and a concrete deck providing even more space for entertaining. The backyard also includes a covered patio with a built-in barbecue island, complete with a TV, ceiling fan, and light, enhancing your outdoor experience. The wall colors are beautifully complemented by white baseboards, creating a striking contrast with the plush carpeting and tile flooring throughout the home. This home is equipped with both heating and air conditioning for year-round comfort. It also includes a whole house fan. The elegant downstairs guest bathroom showcases a sink with cabinets, a window with shutters, an exquisite lighting fixture, a mirror, a toilet, and a luxurious shower. The laundry room, complete with washer and dryer hookups, provides ultimate convenience for your laundering needs. With the inclusion of cabinets, this space offers abundant storage for all your supplies, ensuring a clutter-free environment, making laundry day a breeze. An additional storage closet is conveniently located in the hallway. This house also features direct access to a spacious 3-car garage, complete with cabinets and a convenient pedestrian door, leading to the beautifully landscaped backyard. The first bedroom on the main level radiates warmth and sophistication with natural light streaming through its windows, creating an inviting ambiance. Enhanced by a ceiling fan with light fixture and a generous closet, as well as elegant crown molding, this room is further complemented by plush carpeting, adding a touch of coziness. Its versatile design also makes it an ideal space for a convenient home office. There is a coat closet with additional storage space located under the stairs. A beautiful mosaic in front of the stairs complements the tile throughout the downstairs area perfectly. Now let's go view the upstairs. These curved stairs really adds to the charm as well. In the upstairs hallway, you'll find cabinets that are ideal for storing linens and other essentials. It has an expansive loft with windows and shutters that flood the space with natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Enhanced by a ceiling fan with lighting, this versatile area offers endless possibilities. Whether you seek a tranquil spot for relaxation, a focused space for studying, an entertaining game room, or the perfect venue for lively slumber parties. The guest bathroom offers a comprehensive array of amenities, including cabinets, a sink, a mirror, a privacy door with a toilet, and a shower in the bathtub. This ensures both convenience and ease for your guests, creating a welcoming environment for their stay. The second bedroom is warm and inviting. This elegantly designed space features a ceiling fan with an integrated light fixture, providing both comfort and style. A generous, well-appointed closet offers plenty of storage, while the plush carpeting adds a layer of coziness. This thoughtfully crafted room exudes charm and versatility, making it an ideal setting for relaxation or a charming guest suite. The third bedroom is a serene retreat, bathed in natural light streaming through its windows, which offer picturesque views of the front yard. This elegant space is highlighted by a sophisticated lighting fixture with an integrated ceiling fan, ensuring both comfort and style. A generous walk-in closet provides ample storage, while the plush carpeting adds a touch of luxury underfoot. The harmonious blend of these elements creates an inviting and cozy atmosphere, making this room a perfect haven. This home feels incredibly spacious, with every detail thoughtfully designed and meticulously executed, creating a beautifully crafted living space. Discover tranquility in the exquisite owner's suite, thoughtfully positioned away from the other bedrooms for ultimate convenience and privacy. Adorned with multiple windows that flood the space with natural light and complemented by a stylish ceiling fan and light fixture, this retreat exudes warmth and sophistication. Enhanced by plush carpeting and offering serene views of the backyard, the owner's suite promises a haven of comfort and relaxation. The ensuite master bathroom is equally stunning, featuring vaulted ceilings and windows with shutters. It includes a large shower area with glass doors, a separate soaking bathtub, dual sinks, a mirror, and ample cabinetry for storage. A private water closet with a toilet and an additional window with shutters provides both privacy and natural light. The master walk-in closet is so spacious, offering ample room for clothes, hats, and accessories, accommodating both winter and summer wardrobes with ease. This luxurious suite not only offers a peaceful retreat but also combines elegance with practical amenities, making it an ideal space. This master suite is perfect for unwinding at the end of the day and a delight to wake up in each morning. This home embodies unparalleled luxury and sophistication, offering a seamless blend of elegance and comfort. From the moment you enter, you'll be captivated by the exquisite attention to detail and high-end finishes throughout. The expansive living spaces are perfect for both grand entertaining and intimate gatherings, with every room thoughtfully designed to enhance your lifestyle. The master suite is a true retreat, featuring serene views, plush carpeting, and a spa-like bathroom that exudes opulence. The backyard is an entertainer's paradise, complete with a stunning pool, spa, fire pit, and stylish outdoor barbecue. This home is not just a place to live, it's a statement of refined living and an exceptional opportunity to embrace the ultimate in luxury. It is conveniently located near shopping, dining, and the 215 freeway, offering you easy access to amenities and major routes. This home is truly an entertainer's delight, and it won't last long. Please call me to schedule an appointment. Let's make this house your home.